The train for Grand Central Station will be departing shortly. The express train for Phoenix is now boarding at platform number 5. Please be at the platform at least 10 minutes before departure. Please have your ticket ready for inspection. What? Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome to Thomas's 착한 Travel English. In today's lesson, it's time to take some public transportation. But what kind of transportation? Did you listen to the announcement? That's right. We're going to be talking about trains and subways. So, let's head to the train station. Today's first sentence will help you ask for directions. If you have to take the subway, but you can't find the subway station, just ask someone. How do I get to Arlington Station? How do I get to Arlington Station? We've already learned a lot of similar questions like, where is Arlington Station? Or, do you know the way to Arlington Station? But here, we're starting our question with how. How questions are used to ask, in what way? We use the word station for both train stations and subway stations. Here, we're trying to find Arlington Station. Let's practice asking someone. How do I get to Arlington Station? How do I get to Arlington Station? How do I get to Arlington Station? 토마스의 여행 꿀팁! 해외여행에서 대중교통을 많이 이용할 거라면 매번 티켓을 구매하는 것보다 트래블 카드를 구입하는 것이 좋아요. 가격도 훨씬 싸고 한 장으로 간편하게 이용할 수 있거든요. 여행지별로 다양한 상품들이 많이 있으니까 꼭 검색해보고 저렴하게 이용해보세요. 그럼 또 만나요. Happy travels!
이 강의를 정주행하고 싶다면 말하자닷컴으로 오세요.